Welcome back. Kingfisher Voice of Goa is back in 2010. Participants have started setting their voice and tunes. 19 participants have already cleared the first round and of the auditions in Panji. Now they will perform at the semi-finals.
The first round of auditions of Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2010 was held at Meershes in Panji on Saturday. Around 42 participants performed at the auditions. English and Konkani are the two languages they sang in. 24 participants sang in English, out of which 9 cleared the auditions.
You just pretended that you couldn't see, you walked away.
'Cause I hate the way I feel tonight, and I know I need you in my life.
Whereas 18 participants sang in Konkani, out of which 11 have cleared first round.
तुझ्या विने सुख लागना रित्या जीने सुख गावना
मोगा तुका याद असा
Rossel de Miranda, MD of Hype Entertainment, is happy with the response.
Well, it was excellent and amazing that it's the first time that we got so many participants in the first round itself.
And how do you think will be all other 3 rounds?
Well, if the first audition has gone so well, the remaining has to go well and it will be a big turnout. This competition gives a platform to a bathroom singer as well to come up and make it big on stage.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now we have news from sports. The Federation Cup quarter-final league will get off to a start on Tuesday as Goa play host to the Group B matches. Seza Football Academy will play Chirag United, while Churchill Brothers will clash with Viva Kerala on the opening day at Vasco.
The organisers were left in a tight spot after heavy rains on irregularity turned the ground at Vasco's Tilak Stadium into a soggy pitch. Such a pitch is dangerous for players and also unsuitable for a tournament like the Federation Cup. But with Nehru Stadium booked to host an international cricket match, the GFA had no option other than Tilak Stadium, as their Dhuler ground is also in unfit condition. Chowgule College declined permission to host the matches on their artificial turf. Luckily, Monday turned out to be a bright sunny day, and that helped in drying the Tilak ground a bit. The organisers will be hoping that there is no more rain this week, and if sunny conditions prevail and the ground dries out, all the matches will be played at Vasco. The GFA will also keep the Dhuler Stadium ready in case of an emergency. The Group B matches will see Churchill Brothers, Chirag United, Viva Kerala and qualifiers Seza Football Academy in action. Matches will be played on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. GFA Secretary Savio Messias revealed that in future they will ensure that the draining of the ground is better.
Dhuler ground also needs to be, the surface needs to be relayed. In fact, we had not taken up the job because we were quite confident of getting the artificial turf to Dhuler ground. So that's the reason why this ground work has not been carried out for the last 2 years. But next year we'll definitely have to, if we don't get the artificial turf, we will have to relay the turf at Dhuler ground.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Chan from Panji and reporter Surendra Madkaikar from Vasco.
Don Bosco Auditory organized the 4th All Goa Skate Mania 2010. The day-long event consisted of different events like roll ball competition and rink races. Along with that, there were other exciting events organized.
The roll ball competition was held with 4 teams fighting it out for the team title. In the finals, Playboys were locked with the Roll Ball Rockers in a 7-all tie at full time. But in the tiebreaker, Playboys held their own to win the title. Pediatrician Dr. Viren Gaunkar was the chief guest. Others present were Father Agnello, Father Ralin D'Souza, Director of DBO and Organizing Committee, and Dexter Pereira. Here are some highlights of the match. Gareth Vaz was the coordinator for the event. He is also the skating coach at the DBO Center. Prudent Media caught up with Gareth.
Yeah, today we just wanted to get all the skating students of Goa together for one event where they can show their talent. Because I feel at least skating in Goa is going down, because no one's bringing it up, at least trying to help us out. So I want to do something where the students can at least show their talents, get their certificates and show it, get them in future use, So all my students are here, and we got some Margao students also coming in, so I would like that in the future. Well, I started skating at the age of 6, and I started coaching when I was in 6th standard, and I started becoming a coach in the 11th standard, and I've been a coach since then here, and this is basically experience.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi from Panji.
And with this, we come to an end of this newscast. Take care and goodbye.